Do you know how amazing you are? Do you realize how unique and special you are? How you are connected to everything you see around you right now. In fact, you and I are even connected because we are all connected. We are all consciousness playing in the playground called life. Now, you might think this sounds crazy. You might feel you're having a bad life right now. And trust me, I understand. Here's the thing. When we believe we're having a bad life, you know what? Strangely enough, we are. We are absolutely having a bad life. And the more that we believe we're having a bad life, the more we see evidence of it's a bad life turning up. It's a strange thing how this universal consciousness works. I'd like you today to think about who you really are. That special uniqueness that is you. Because you are no different to somebody else you look at who is having a good life. Because we are all connected, we are all expressions of each other. It's impossible for them to be having a good life and you not. The only difference is you just aren't seeing it. You aren't feeling it. You're not living it. And the question is, how come they appear to be but you're not? Let me give you an example. When we see a wave on the ocean, we all agree that waves look individual. And they are all unique, right? That wave you see there, you'll never see that one ever again. Oh, it's crashed, it's gone, done. And the next, and the next, and the next. But here's the thing. Those waves are kind of illusions, because if we took away the ocean, that's what forms. That's where the waves come from. If we remove the ocean, if it were possible, which we could, then the waves would cease to appear. The illusion would vanish. So you and I are expressions. We are waves of energy. We are energetic beings. We are vibrational energy that is an expression of the bigger whole that we are all part of, which is the ocean. So my point comes again. The person who you believe today is more successful or you're trying to compare yourself to, I need you to stop and think. They are just another expression of the wave of consciousness that we all come from, that sea. And you and they, whilst unique expressions of that, are connected to the same source. They're connected to the same ocean. So if they are able to build themselves up to appear to be that successful wave that you're looking at, there is absolutely no reason on this earth or any other manifestation of earth that you could not achieve the same. It's about being connected to your source, realizing where you're from. You see, you are not the person you believe you are. The person that you call Hannah, Tom, Chad, Mark, whatever your name is, wherever you're from in the world, whatever your background, your ethnicity, your language, it is what society has told you you are from a very early age, from the minute you were born. And sometimes even before you were born, your parents had picked out your name, they'd imagined who you become, what color eyes you're gonna have, who you're gonna look like. Maybe they'd even thought where you're gonna go to school and what you're gonna do. But that is not who you are. That's just a program. For want of a better word, it's a program that has been given to you to run, and it's been run and run and run throughout your childhood, usually very well by well-meaning parents. And they believe that they are doing the best because that's what their parents and grandparents did to them. And so it goes on. But those are programs. They are not who you are. So whatever you believe today, I would like you just to believe one thing, that you are limitless. You are unlimited. You are totally free to connect to that beautiful consciousness that I am speaking to you from, and you and all of us are connected and within it. But we are just projecting our waves out into this world. to interact with each other. But just like the waves on the ocean, they're playful, some are big, some are small, some are noisy, some are quiet, some you hardly even see. Is that a wave? It hardly appears, but it's there. There's room in the ocean for all of us. There is time for all of us. All I'd like you to do today is go out there, connect to your source, to the ocean that connects us all, and be the type of wave you were really meant to be here to be.